show you how can we install WordPress in server manually. First we have to download the latest version of WordPress from wordpress.org. I'm going to write the address here, wordpress.org download. Okay, and press enter. And you can see here is the latest version of WordPress. The latest version is WordPress 4.7.2. I already downloaded that, that's why I'm not going to download it again. You can see here is the latest download file, WordPress 4.7.2.zip. I already downloaded, that's why I'm not going to download it again. Now we have to log into our cPanel. Since we are trying to install that in our server manually, I'm pressing enter. This is our cPanel address. Okay, it is successfully logging. And now since we are trying to install WordPress in server manually, we have to create a MySQL database, and we have to create that manually. That's why I'm going to create a MySQL database. We have to click MySQL database wizard to create a MySQL database. I'm going to open that. We have to give a database name. I'm going to give a name called Fleet DB final. Okay, and pressing next step. Okay, this is our database name. I'm going to save that DB name. This is our database name. Now we have to create a database user to use that database. You can see here fleet underscore fleet. This is our user name of the database, and we are going to put password here. I'm writing the password. Okay, I wrote that password and pressing create user. Okay, you have successfully created MySQL user named fleet Hayat, fleet underscore Hayat. I'm going to copy that. This is our username, dbus user name, password, db password. I'm not going to show you the password, that's why it will be star 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 star. Okay, now we have to upload that WordPress using file manager. I'm going to open file manager. We have to upload the latest wordpress.zip file in public HTML. Here we have to upload the downloaded file. I'm going to upload that. I'm going to select the latest WordPress version. Pressing select file, downloads, compressed, and WordPress. The WordPress 4.7.2.zip file is now uploading in server. Okay, upload complete. Now we have to click here. It is uploaded. Now we have to extract that file here. Extract files. Extract successful. You can see here is a folder named WordPress. Now we have to open that. and select all, then move to the root folder of our site. Okay, now it goes to the root folder, and I'm going to delete that folder and going to delete the zip folder because its work is completed. Okay, now we have to go to fleet. This is the domain of the site where we want to install the latest version of WordPress manually. This is the installation process. First we have to select our language. I'm going to select English. Now WordPress asking us that we need database name, database username, database password, database host, and table prefix to install WordPress manually. So we all have everything, and now I'm going to press let's go. Okay, now I'm going to write the database name. We know that our database name is that. I'm copying that and pasting here, and our username is here, database username. I'm going to paste, and our password is okay, and I'm going to press submit button. Okay, all right, now we have to press run the install. Okay, the site title need to put here, the name will be and the password will be height. I'm going to copy that. Password, that is our password for okay, install WordPress. Okay, WordPress installation complete. Now I'm going to set that password. Okay, this was the tutorial. If you like that tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and share that video. Thank you for watching the video. Take care.